You can only acquire HIV when you get exposed to four body fluids. First is blood. When you are sharing drug paraphernalia. Another is the breast milk. Anong susunod na body fluids is the semen and vaginal fluid. Kung hindi kayang pigilin ang panggigigil, no, you protect yourself, no, by practicing safe sex. So we need to educating people on how they can prevent themselves from becoming HIV positive. And of course, early treatment, um, less chance of developing to full-blown AIDS. Kasi kung late na siya matest, no, baka nasa stage na siya na malala na. So it would, baka full-blown AIDS na siya by the time na matest siya kung hindi siya napatest early. Pag pumasok yung virus, nakapasok yung virus sa katawan mo, it would take 5 years before siya mag-symptom. Kunwari, nakapasok yung virus ngayon sa akin. Magkakaroon ako ng fever, yung iba rash, for a few days. Or sore throat, a few days. But eventually, mahihila ko. So yung iba nagkakaroon ng mga flu-like symptoms initially from the time na nakuha mo yung virus, very short. Pero after noon, wala. You're normal. Parang okay ka lang. Pero as the virus would destroy your immune system, darating sa punto, mawawala ka na ng panlaban sa sakit. And that's the time, lalabas na yung iba-ibang symptoms, no? Doon na siya magli-lead into AIDS, Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. There's still no cure that will exactly kill the virus, but now there are treatment to prevent the virus from reproducing. Because when you stop the virus from reproducing, the immune system of the person, hindi siya nasisira. Yung antiretroviral treatment na tinatawag, darating sa point na nandun pa rin ang virus, pero hindi na siya, hindi na siya symptomatic. Kasi na-prevent na yung virus from destroying the immune system.